am going to star in the OnlyFans.
I've been telling her to get her feet pics online all the time.
After this, many people going to block me, but yeah, Taylor Swift is uncultured. We are here at Culture Ground episode 3 and I'm here with
Kat, my name's Kat.
Harika.
Adhiraj.
My name is Rim.
The backbone of Culture Ground. With me. With Arushi. And Anat.
Dhruv.
And
Aditya.
I'm Devansh's friend, Raj.
I'm here with the founder of Ressa Clothing, Steve.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to be at Culture Ground.
What are you wearing tonight?
Well, I'm wearing a bikini top. This is from Zara. These are like Levi's jeans. And I'm wearing Doc Martens. So yeah.
Yeah, my whole fit is thrifted right now. I'm just carrying a Michael Kors bag and that's it.
So I'm wearing this bodysuit. My best friend gave this to me. This skirt is from H&M. These stockings I got from Savannah. These shoes are my best friend's again. And this bag is mine. And oh, this, my best friend again. Yeah. Where did you get the Labubu? Get it right now for 4K. 4K or even lesser. Culture Circle, get your Labubus for 4K or even lesser.
Awesome.
I'm just wearing a boho style dress with a lot of bangles because that's like my new obsession.
I try to be as cultured as possible. I'm wearing Amiri's t-shirt and Jordans.
Can you take us through your shoes as well?
I'm just wearing Zara.
Same, honestly, same. Love it.
So it's all don't know, but yeah, it's lit.
I'm wearing all Racer top to bottom except the shoes. Those are New Balances. This shirt is called the Sikka shirt. It's not launched yet. This is all hand embroidery.
Today I'm wearing like Zara, H&M and Culture Circle.
So I'm wearing these random jeans I bought when I was 18. This random shirt I bought from Jaipur. And my Chelsea boots.
Today I'm wearing this dip from LA. I'm wearing shoes Hyper Royale, which is like I feel it's a really good drip.
Oversized t-shirt and jeans and sneakers.
I'm wearing what Sandhana is wearing. Okay, I'm wearing Bershka. I'm wearing Michael Kors. Oh, my bag. Oh, fuck, it's there. It's all white. Oh, Culture Circle gifted me this really cute bag. Guys, stop wasting your money buying expensive shit from outside. It's Culture Circle, which is the shit right now, and you gotta go and get everything from fucking there.
What's your biggest fashion ick?
Girls.
Okay, my biggest fashion ick is when someone is wearing big, bold fashion brands. That is my biggest ick right now.
I would say guys that wear skinny jeans in 2025, yeah.
I hate that too.
Skinny jeans.
In men,
Yeah. Even in women, I have never seen a no. Ew.
Probably if she wears something that's out of like if she wears skinny jeans or something like that.
what is your biggest fashion ick in a girl?
In a girl,
Or a guy, what's your preference?
my preference is girls. But
So then your biggest fashion ick.
my biggest fashion ick is the too much layering. I get layering is good. But the too much layering is sometimes a problem for me. Like, that's something I don't like.
My biggest fashion ick is being really unhealthy. I'm sorry.
Has to be black t-shirts and a blue jeans. I fucking hate it.
Your significant other has an OnlyFans that you didn't know about. Are you breaking up or taking a cut?
I am taking all 100% of the profits, by the way. And I am going to star in the OnlyFans.
The real businessman. Then what? From the cut, what are you gonna buy from Culture Circle?
Oh, I'm going to buy one AJ1 low Dior's, obviously.
I just want to see it once and then I decide what I want to do with it. I know me.
But are you taking a percentage or not?
I'm not. I don't want to take any money from man.
Taking a cut.
I've been telling her to get her feet pics online all the time. Like, that's the way. This is culture now, guys. This is how you are.
He's cultured, bro. He
knows what's up. But you're taking a cut like how much?
10%.
10%. I'd say 25% at least.
And then what are you gonna buy from the Culture Circle store using that?
The best sneakers in whole of Asia is what we're getting from Culture Circle. Get your sneakers from Culture Circle now.
I am going to take all of it. What do you mean? The percentage? All of the money is mine.
Fair. Because they cheated. Like all that money is your money.
Yeah, all that money is mine. You cheat, you do anything, give me all the money.
100% taking a percentage, bro. What are you saying? You take a commission and then you break up.
What percentage are you taking?
50-50, I think it's 50-50. It takes a lot to. It takes
But
a lot.
उसने cheat करा है भाई 90 नहीं लेगा.
I mean, it takes a lot to run a brand like this, so I'd rather just take some commission and then leave.
And then with that cut, what are you buying from Culture Circle?
I'm buying my own clothes. Resa is going to be at Culture Ground soon. So let's buy Resa at Culture Circle very soon. Delhi store, Hyderabad store, the app, the website, everywhere.
I mean, it'll be shocking for me. I'll probably
Are you gonna break up or take a percentage?
take a percentage for sure.
Break up.
I mean, I'll probably take a percentage because I know they earn a lot.
What cut are you taking?
90%?
The first thing you're gonna buy.
I'll buy like one of my dream shoes is Nike Retro 4. I'll probably buy that and I'll buy her something for sure.
We are sharing the profit. Let's fucking go. It's 60 and 40%.
But she cheated. You don't want 90%.
No. She's not cheating at me. She's looking at our financials. So I respect that.
But she kept the OnlyFans hidden.
Okay, now that's a different case. Then it's fucked up.
What is the last sneaker you bought?
I'm not going to get it because Akshay is going to get it for me. Let's go.
Culture Circle.
I haven't purchased sneakers and like
For him, Culture. Oh,
that.
from you.
Yeah.
She's your sugar mommy, bro.
Yeah, she is.
What's the last sneaker you got?
The last sneaker I got were Jordans. I think they were gym reds. They were not too cultured. They were basic.
It's uncultured.
No. I'm cultured, guys.
I don't buy sneakers that much. The last pair I bought was Birkenstock chappals. I'm an uncle like that.
I got this Michael Kors, the very cute sneakers from fucking Culture Circle. Let's fucking go.
I'm a big heel and a flat person, so I'm not into sneakers. So I can't even remember when was the last sneaker I bought.
Okay, so I bought Nike Initiator. That is kind of embarrassing, but okay, hold on. Don't show my feet.
I purchased Panda Dunks from Culture Circle at an amazing price of just 6.5k. I could not imagine I could get this price for such a basic sneaker. But Culture Circle helped me get it.
Culture Circle last night.
But tell the sneaker no. What sneaker did you purchase?
Air Jordan 1.
From?
Culture Circle.
I bought, I think, the Jordan Bumblebees, the black and yellow ones.
From?
Culture Circle!
What is one item you definitely want in your future wardrobe?
Girls.
Retro 4.
Air Jordan like low.
Panda.
Retro.
So I'm gonna give you two celebrities. You have to name them as cultured or uncultured. Okay?
Let's go.
Shah Rukh Khan and Virat Kohli. Who's cultured?
Khan anytime, any day. Virat Kohli is uncultured.
Did you just call Virat Kohli uncultured?
Yeah, because it's SRK.
Okay. Taylor Swift and Sydney Sweeney.
I hate both of them. Are you a Swiftie? You're not a Swiftie, right?
I think Virat Kohli is cultured for sure.
So you're saying Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured?
Yeah, I'm not a biggest fan of Shah Rukh Khan, so I think so. Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured.
What about Taylor Swift and Sydney Sweeney?
I think I'm right now a Sydney Sweeney fan. I'm not a Taylor big. I know many of you will hate me after this, but yeah, I'm a Sydney Sweeney fan at this minute.
So you think Taylor Swift is uncultured?
Yeah, after this, many people going to block me, but yeah, Taylor Swift is uncultured.
Shah Rukh versus Virat.
Virat cultured, Shah Rukh uncultured.
You think Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured?
Yeah. Because despite being a Bollywood star, he doesn't have any stand on any national issues, whereas Virat Kohli doesn't involve himself into any national issues. He's just a sports star. And again, Virat Kohli is Virat Kohli.
Find out more in the culture episode. Taylor Swift versus Sydney Sweeney.
Sydney Sweeney. Taylor Swift is uncultured. I hate her music. It is such a NPC music. All in for Kanye though.
Shah Rukh Khan and Virat Kohli.
Both uncultured, but I'll pick Virat Kohli because he liked some random girl's image.
So you think Virat Kohli is uncultured?
Oh no, he's cultured. Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured.
You just said Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured.
Yeah, he's ass. Honestly.
Shah Rukh Khan and Virat Kohli.
Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured, bro. Virat Kohli is my love. What are you saying?
Guys, Steve thinks that Shah Rukh Khan is uncultured.
I just think Virat Kohli is more cultured.
Sydney Sweeney versus Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift is uncultured. I really like Sydney Sweeney again.
Okay, done. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys. Oh,
And I just want to know